Hi, today I will share very simple hack to clean your kitchen cabinet. I am using Murphy wood cleaner. It can be used on wood paneling, bookcases, tables, chairs and cabinet. Using instructions are very easy. It is printed on label how to use it. In 1 gallon of warm water you can add 1 by 4 cup Murphy liquid. But if you required a deep cleaning, you can use half cup Murphy liquid in 1 gallon of water. Dip rag in water and squeeze water out from rag. I am cleaning kitchen cabinet. Because of steam it become very greasy. You can see how bad it is. I started the cleaning and for the edges I will use the toothbrush. Toothbrush is really a helpful tool which you need it for the cleaning. You can buy the Murphy wood cleaner from Walmart or from Amazon. I'm also providing the link in the description for Amazon. After cleaning, wipe it with dry cloth. But if grease is too hard to come off, you can repeat process couple of times. Dirt and grease started to come off. I am using wet cloth to clean chemical from cabinet and after that I will use the dry cloth to wipe it. If this video helped you then do not forget to give a like. Thanks for watching. Bye.